Hey, what's up guys? So the day has arrived. OnePlus 7 along with for the first time a Pro OnePlus model will be born today. But you don't have to wait for that because we have the actual device itself in flesh leaked hands-on via Ice Universe just 12 hours before the actual event kicks off. So this is all you need to see regarding the OnePlus 7 Pro model. Now first up from the front, you can see that the OnePlus 7 Pro is a total bezel-less beast. Especially with a white background, you can clearly see the level of bezels we have on this phone. The top is completely bezel-less. The sides do have a slight border to it. It is actually an edge display, and then there is a little bit chin as well. But despite that, this thing is looking beautiful. No holes, no notch, no interruptions, all thanks to the rising front camera setup. A sacrifice indeed, but the look you get in return is the best on a smartphone right now, in my honest opinion. Now taking a look at the back of the device, you can see this is the new blue color. I'm sure there will be a unique name to call this color from OnePlus. But the interesting thing here are those three cameras. For the first time, we have triple camera setup on a OnePlus flagship phone. The main sensor is a 48 megapixel shooter with f1.6 aperture. Along with that, we have a 3x zoom lens and a third wide angle lens. Then you get the LED flash, then there's a OnePlus logo, and then you also get a OnePlus logo at the very bottom. Now in case you missed my previous video, we took a look at the OnePlus 7 Pro camera samples and it looked pretty decent. The nighttime picture was nice. It's a good camera, nothing over the top. Still Google, Huawei, Samsung, and even Apple are ahead of this phone. Then again, you gotta keep the price in mind as well. This is not gonna be $1,000 phone, and at the same time, it's not gonna be super cheap. So you could be looking at $700 for the Pro model, which is still again cheaper than most of the phones. Other than all of this, we are now confirmed that the OnePlus 7 Pro along with the OnePlus 7 model will use UFS 3.0 storage, which makes this the first phone after the Galaxy Fold to have the new amazing storage speeds. This will definitely going to be faster than any of the current storage we have on the older flagships, and this might actually be the fastest phone on the planet. I'm not kidding, guys. This thing is looking insane, packed with so much power. Again, I'll be doing my own testing, so stay tuned for that. In case you don't know already, here are the specs for the OnePlus 7 Pro. Notable changes are the A+ AMOLED display, the whole bezel-less design, and of course 90Hz refresh rate, which means smoother, really smooth experience when it comes to, animation and just using the phone in general. And then 4000 mAh battery inside, along with 30 watts of fast charging. Now, if you're someone who's tight on budget and you cannot afford the Pro model, then you have the normal OnePlus 7, which will still retain the old design with updated specs at a cheaper price, probably around $550, whereas the Pro model could cost $699, which is again still a lot cheaper than the Apples and the Galaxies. I can't wait to get my hands on this beast. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Today is the day. I will be doing some more coverage on the OnePlus 7 Pro as this phone gets officially announced. In the meantime, let me know what you think about the design and everything, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.